لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل الجرس ليصلكم كل جديد.
Alright guys, timing runs are up. Sean. Do me a favor and stand down on this one. Jay Lynch, are you set?
Ready, lock and loaded.
Love it. Brianna, how about you?
Ready to go.
Here we go guys, here we go. Speed run number 1. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Spot on. Dude, nice guys. Let's reset. Let's do the second one. Alright guys, run number 2. Jay Lynch, you set?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Alright guys, number 2, same thing. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ryan, can you report? No, spot on. Hey Keith, just a little under. That's great. So Brianna, Jay, unless there's any objections, let's do it.
Copy that. Heading to 1.
Let's go to 1, guys. This is it. Go to 1 and cinch the belts down.
Good luck, Dad.
Here we go, folks. Stand by. Wait for the thumbs up. We get the thumbs up. We're off the ready to roll. Thumbs are up. Here we go. It's for real, guys. Give me clear. On your call, Dave Fry.
All right, guys. This is it. Here we go. Sean Graham, you ready?
Nope.
Sean, sorry. Is that a yes?
No, the car shut down.
Stand by. Let's get Sean looking at that. In the meantime, Jar, are you set?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Okay, great. Brianna? Great. Stand by. Let's get a report on Sean.
I'm good. It's up and running. Ready.
Circle back.
All right, guys. Marvin, we are set. Let me know when we're locked.
We are locked. Here we go.
Have some fun, you two. Come on.
On you, Dave Fry.
All right, guys. Anyone not ready? Here it is. Have a nice flight, guys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, great. That's a good job, girl.
Go, Sean, go.
Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new. Thank you, my dear friend, for your support.